What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. Y'all already know what this is. Y'all see it, boy. Oh, y'all see how the nigga had to get fresh for the one time. Oh, y'all see it. Fuck, y'all thought I was gonna be over here looking ugly all these damn days? Hell no. I had to go to the barber shop. I'm like, damn, I keep dropping all these videos looking ugly. They gonna think that's my normal self. They my normal self. But anyway, fuck all that ugly ass little dudes. Let's get right into what we came here for. The NBA YoungBoy has dropped another song today. I want to go ahead and do it before you hoe ass niggas tell me to do it. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and get this out of the way. For a nigga hit me up, like, bro, react to that. I'm like, nigga, shut up, I'm already doing it. Nigga. But other way, we better jump right into it. It's called Boat. Let's get this out the way. I got shit I gotta do, and I ain't really got time to be fucking with y'all niggas like that. But let's go. Let's go. This shit better be good. Or I'm running up on a nigga.
Rich shot that shit.
NBA YoungBoy Boat.
They thought they think I don't know. Switching these clothes and smoking these Joes. Feel like I've been coast to coast. Fuck these lanes, change up my game. I'm gonna try.
Hold on, bro. I gotta be saying, this nigga be fresh as a motherfucker. I'm not on dick or nothing like that. NBA YoungBoy be throwing that shit on, bro. I ain't gonna flex though. I ain't thought the nigga was one of those niggas, bro. I thought he just throwing some shit. But the nigga be fresh as a bitch. Hold on, bro. Hold the fuck on.
Need no one of my cars, I do not drive spoke. Talking to Haley inspired Blanco. I'm trying to fill the whole closet up with a whole foe. Talking to Tenny and he do the remain. Know for a fact that I fucked up the game. She know I'm that nigga, she know I'm that man. She know I'm that nigga, don't care about the man. She know I never be with her. Three said a bitch friend do cocaine. All I know is she got us a daughter. All I know I was ready to spoil her. Jumping that script and living the spoiler. Bitch, I came from the having water. Now young nigga with me, stiff like Voss. Came from the north and I live like Ross. All these shots that stuff in this house. All this mess that stuff in this house. All these women I got in this bitch. We just can't wait till a nigga crash out. I'm crashing the boat, bitch. Walking that bitch and I'm breaking the bank, man. I'm crashing the boat, bitch. I got the wood and I'm driving all the way to the bank. I'm selling the boat, bitch. This a Lamborghini and I went and bought me a tank. Jump on a boat, bitch. Sail away from all the bullshit and all the lane. They want me to crash, shouldn't crash, bitch. Ain't even.
Okay, all right. Okay, it's not. I'm loving the flow. I'm loving how it's going, but kind of don't seem like he there all the way. Don't really, because the shit I've been hearing, he been rapping. The shit y'all been putting me on, rapping. This kind of feel like, one of them studio damn near going to sleep ass tracks, but I fucks with it though. I fucks with it.
I'm Babu, got it crashing out bad. I'ma do another play with a new bag. All come out just like I'm a test. Whenever I leave, I'm driving out fast. Whenever I'm back, like I'm inside of the trap, I'm selling these verses real fast. Cooking ain't shit, none of this water whoop. I done watch my gram cook gumbo. Riding the roads, I give it a kick, and every time they do a high note, I've been watching everything around me. They ain't catching me to kick up my note. Dropped it in the water and fucked up the face. I'm in this bitch like Guantanamo Bay. But I'm crashing the boat, bitch. Walking that bitch and I'm breaking the bank, but I'm crashing the boat, bitch. I got the wood and I'm driving all the way to the bank. I'm selling the boat, bitch. This a Lamborghini and I went and bought me a tank. Jump on a boat, bitch. Sail away from all the bullshit and all the lane. They want me to crash, shouldn't crash, bitch. Ain't even. I'm Babu, got it crashing out bad. I'ma do another play with a new bag. All come out just like I'm a test. Whenever I leave, I'm driving out fast. Whenever I'm back, like I'm inside of the trap, I'm selling these verses real fast.
All right, okay. Okay, all right. Nothing too major, but it ain't bad. It ain't bad. I'm gonna give it. Ooh, what I'm gonna give it? Cause I know you whole ass niggas be crying in the comments and shit. Out of 10, I think I'm gonna give it a hot 8. I'm gonna give it an 8. Ugh. Oh no, 8 kind of doing a little bit too much now. Hold on. Oh, y'all get your Nike Techs in the ball of your ass. Take your Nike Tech out your ball of your ass. Calm down. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. It's cool to drive to a listen to. It bump. It got the beat. It bump. It bump. It bump. Okay, I give it to it. It bump. I fucks with it, but it ain't like the shit that y'all been telling me that's on my list right now. Y'all been giving me some NBA YoungBoy tracks that's been hitting hard. Nigga, I listened to one of them shits, nigga, it hit me in the lip. I said, God damn, this motherfucker hit hard. It's a motherfucker, dog. My shit bleed. But other than that, that's been dope. I give it an 8.5. Let me stop playing this shit. I give it an 8.5. It was dope to me. I fucks with it. You know, another one of those tracks. The nigga drop a lot of music, like I said earlier. Yeah, he drop a lot of fucking music. So that might be. I don't know. I'm not gonna say nothing. I have a whole video of me talking about that. When it drop, y'all gonna understand what I'm talking about. But other than that, this has been NBA YoungBoy Boat official video. I fucks with it. Give it an 8.5 out of 10. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe. More videos in the way. Y'all comment below where y'all want me to react to next. Give me a list down below. And y'all already know how I get down. You dig? The fuck. Peace. Love y'all, G's. Peace.